Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by backing up and powering down. This prevents data loss and accidental shorts. Once done, remove the external pentalobe screws and lift the bottom case. Keep screws organized by size so reassembly is exact. Make sure to disconnect the battery connector first. That removes live power to the keyboard and logic board. You do this because modern Macbook keyboards are integrated into the top case and require the battery out of the circuit before continuing with deeper disassembly. You now detach keyboard ribbon cables and any adjacent connectors. Use a spudger to flip up latches and carefully slide ribbons free. This avoids tearing contacts. Next, remove the internal Torx screws holding the top case. Some are hidden under brackets or adhesive strips, so take photos as you go to remember placement. When lifting the top case, apply even pressure so you don't stress the logic board. You install the replacement top case by aligning mounts, seating it evenly, and reinstalling screws in the original pattern. You finish by reconnecting the battery and replacing the bottom case. Tighten external screws hand firm to avoid stripping. Once booted, test the arrow keys and modifiers. Open Keyboard Viewer to confirm key presses register. If something fails, power down and reseat the keyboard ribbon. Make sure the latch is fully closed and pins are clean. If problems persist, reset the system management controller and inspect connectors under magnification for bent pins or debris. That single troubleshooting move will catch most remaining faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.